Good day, this is Alex from Internet Well Secret. In this debut video, I would like to actually share with you on one of these info products called Profit Code. Profit Code is going to launch today, right, 11 a.m. EXT on this Warrior Plus, right? So basically, what is Profit Code about? Okay, Profit Code basically is a video training that actually show you how to automate the contents for your social media posting, right? And also how to actually share a link freely on this social media without getting banned, right? By using a special small bit of code to unlock the free and targeted traffic, right? Okay, so basically this is about how to get free content to your social media account, and also how to actually type on this social media account without even violating their rules, right? Okay, so this is basically what it do. In this the sales page, they have shown some of these testimonial result. So what it say is it doesn't require email, no pay ad, no credibility, no authority, no product creation, and no social media follow-up. Okay, so these are some earning testimonial. If you are hungry for traffic, this is a good training courses to get you to learn more about these different traffic technique, right? So let me quickly take you to my reviews based on this. Yeah, I'm giving a 9/10 for this training course. So it's a step-by-step video training. There will be case study show, and you have provide all the resources you need to get things started and take you through with case study and the step-by-step training also. So Profit Code come with front end is only $7.95, and this is where he's going to show you how to generate unique content fast and how to share any link without fear of getting banned and suspended. I think if you have been posting on this Facebook channel, you'll be knowing what happened, right? Facebook, if you keep posting with any link, like they may actually ban you. Or they temporarily suspend your account. So Profit Code Pro, this is a pro version. You learn how to create more content with less work and some monetization strategy, traffic method. Right? And then from you, this the full source of traffic, and then from your material. Take care of this upgrade, we get learn from your landing page, research keyword, content template, and email thread also. And they give you a license, like you can actually have the seller like for all these courses, right? You can freely to resell it. Profit Code coaching, so this is the safe Skype Zoom coaching and Skype email support 1 hour of the coaching. Okay, so that's basically the cool part about this. Nothing required. Basically, he have provide all the resources and the blueprint. You just need to follow the step by step. Okay, so once you log into this member area, I have a preview of this member area. You can see this preview. Once you log in, you're going to see this welcome video, and you have an overview of what the Profit Code about, and the content transformation case study will show you the real case study how it actually transform the content, right? I mean, how it actually generate the content, right? Don't have to hire pay anyone of Infiber to get the content for you. Okay, so Blogspot and Blogger, these are the two blogging platform, and how to actually leverage of this platform to get you the best result. Profit Code in action is basically is what they actually said here when you said how can copy and paste one small bit of code to unlock free and targeted traffic, right? So Bill and Well is going to show you, give you a code you can just paste into your this website that can actually, so any it will show you inside here and how to generate an unexpected result by using linking to your crawler page. Is how to drive free traffic from crawler and analyzing the result and leveraging on the linking power of crawler and Medium. There are more free traffic source training here. They come together, extra ranking power for you, Medium blog, right? So basically, the training is not focused on this Quora or Mediums, but this is they actually give you these extra trainings on how to actually tap into the Quora and Mediums source of traffic, right? Okay, so get fast traffic to your offers and recap and next step. So this is basically when you go into the member area, this is what you'll be seeing. So okay, so it's quite straightforward here. Okay, so let me take you through to my bonuses here. So first thing first, you are going to get this building video training course, right? Okay, so you may found in some way you may found my bonuses are much better than the product itself. I think that's normal. I have been also getting the same feedback from the rest of the person who buy from me. Exactly, the first bonus you're going to get from me is a free this building video training with 100 click. So at the end, this is a complete this building training. At the end of the training, you're going to get 100 free click solo at the click. Okay, so you can actually submit any link to promote the to use this 100 click to promote your affiliate link or product link. So if you're lucky enough, this you may get some sales with this 100 click, right? Okay, but first thing first, you are going to learn how to do this building is a complete set of course, right? So everything is free here, but this is only come with any finance or any OTO. If you purchase any OTO, you're going to get this also, right? Next thing is my own product. It's a DIY money in this. You're going to get a 50K money online subscriber to promote any offer. Right? So if you don't have traffic to make sales, now I'm giving you the list of the subscriber. You can log into your autoresponder and start making sales, right? So this is with FE and any OTO also, right? The third one is a 50 done for you bonus package, right? It's also you get front end and any OTO, you're going to get this suite of the bonus package. This is not a normal bonuses, right? I'm giving you a bonus package whereby all this is a bonus builder whereby you can use these tools to actually build your own bonus page, your bonus delivery page, your own bonuses and all the graphic they come together, and you can actually use this to promote any product or any bonuses, right? Okay, so all this is as part of this all these three bonuses. You just need to buy the FE with any OTO, right? Okay, so the rest of the bonuses you can get with any FE purchase. This Smarty Builder is an e-commerce site builder. Okay, if you want to venture into the e-commerce, you don't have to get any other software, but you can get by bonuses here. 250K funnel kit is a drag and drop funnel builder we done from you template. You have the sales page, funnel page, delivery page, everything comes, so you don't have to pay $99 monthly to click funnel. Okay, and click funnel is you're going to save a lot of money without a click funnel. Right? Actually, click funnel you don't have to do every you can actually use this tool is sufficient for you to build a funnel with sales page and funnel page and also the delivery page. Also, we have this how to make 10,000 online following these simple principles. And this is complete also training course. SmartSlide Pro is 1,600 new presentation and marketing visual template easily that you create high converting and captivating page tag video. VidSpark is a video creation for more traffic lead and sale. BotEngage is a chatbot creation for more traffic lead and sale. OutReachr is a wider traffic cloud app, and also we have the Step I Shop affiliate store builder, right? Also the 15 traffic method you don't know. All this is traffic method and app to get you more traffic and sales, right? Without traffic, there's no sales, right? So I'm handling a lot of traffic related bonuses here. Top 6 paid underground traffic sources, right? Okay, you can discover inside these bonuses. And the other cool thing is a free training how to make money online without selling, right? You may find really curious how this can be achieved, but in fact, this is a free training here, right? Journal is TikTok traffic app and also Journal Instagram traffic app also come together as part of this bundle, and you're going to get my 200 special bonus bundle. If you click inside, you will see all this you'll be getting as part of the 200 bonus bundle here. Okay, so what you'll be getting here, you'll be getting 300,000 email shot and 100 killer subject headline, complete email marketing video training courses, and FB traffic engine, all this all traffic software come together, right? Okay, you also be getting my lead magnet capture page template I've been using to get me a lot of build a list and also get me a lot of sales. And in this second part, it is a active video training course for John, not for Brandon. They have been actually part of this bonus bundle, right? Okay, so altogether you're going to get this just for the price of 7.95. Not even this the price of Starbucks coffee. You're going getting all these huge bundles bonus together with the access to this profit code, right? Okay, the method how to actually automate your content generation and traffic, driving traffic from the social media, right? Okay, so that's it. Click the link below this video and you are going to come to my debut page here, and just click on this orange button and you can get profit code inside this green button inside from below, and all this is going to get only for 7.95. Okay, together with the bonuses, 200 plus bonuses, right? We're going to get it together, right? From me, right? That's it from my walkthrough today on the profit code. Yeah, pretty cool info product, right? Just quickly grab a copy and learn the secret of how to actually make use of this method inside that, right? Thank you. Bye.